Welcome to the Rainer Minute with Hawaii's garage door professionals. Rainer Hawaii has been serving Hawaii's homeowners for over 30 years.
Aloha, I'm Ron, a technician at Rainer Hawaii. Let's check out your garage door. Your safety sensor eyes should be mounted no higher than 6 inches off the floor on each side of your garage door opening. The sensors create an invisible beam across the garage door opening. When the beam is crossed, the garage door will automatically stop and open again. There is also a safety pressure sensor which will reverse your door if it hits an object higher than your sensor eyes. It will take significant pressure and a moment to reverse. Your sensor eyes need to be pointed correctly at each other to operate properly. Different manufacturers will have different indicator lights. This picture shows the lights when your sensors are aligned. When the sensors are not lined up, you will notice that the receiving light may flash or turn off. If your eyes are misaligned, your door will try to come down before reversing back to the opening position. The overhead light may flash a few times. To align the sensors, simply bend the bracket that holds them until it comes into alignment with the other sensor. If the sensors are aligned and the indicator light still doesn't turn on, you may have a wiring issue. You can check the wiring from the sensor to the operator head and ensure it is intact. If you are uncomfortable with following these troubleshooting steps on your own, please call Rainer Hawaii Overhead Doors at 808-676-3667 and we will include this as a part of your full service and safety check package. If you are experiencing any symptoms I've mentioned but need to secure your garage door closed, you can override the sensors by pushing and holding down the main button on the interior wall control until the door is fully closed. Your remotes and exterior keypad will open the door, but will not close it when the safety sensors are not functioning correctly. The safety sensors are a replaceable item on your garage door and are expected to last from 2 to 10 years depending on moisture levels, marine exposure, and other factors. An uncommon problem with your sensor eye may be due to the sun shining on them, causing the door to reverse. You can confirm this by standing outside so that your shadow shields the eye and the door will work correctly. If this occurs, the problem will normally clear up within 3 to 4 weeks on its own as the sun moves positions in the sky. It is recommended that you shield the eye using a round object like a paper towel roll, or you can contact us for a plastic snap-on fitting that can cover the eye to protect it from the sunlight.
Thank you, Ron. As always, Rainer Hawaii is standing by to help you. If it's been over a year since your door was serviced, consider calling today at 808-676-3667 for your annual maintenance and safety check.